If all you know is Photoshop and Canva, it's not enough anymore. The game has changed. I just found an AI design agent that honestly feels like straight-up magic. I'm talking about an AI that doesn't just help you with graphics. It can literally design your entire brand from scratch, spit out a logo system, build your color palettes, mock up your merch, and even generate full videos. Imagine having a 24/7 design team, logo designers and content creators all crammed into one tool, working instantly on command. And the name of this tool? LovArt. In this video, I'm going to put LovArt through the ultimate stress test. I'll task it with building an entire YouTube brand identity for my channel, logo, banners, the whole package. And then we're going to push it even harder and make a complete AI-generated video from scratch. I'm about to show you how LovArt can replace days of creative work in literally minutes. Let's jump straight into it. Building a complete YouTube brand identity. All right, start by going to the link in the description to create your free LovArt account. You'll get free credits daily, or you can upgrade your plan if you want more. Once you're inside, you'll see this giant feed of community creations, logos, posters, viral shorts, basically a wall of proof that this AI is built to create. So I gave LovArt its first real challenge. Design a futuristic logo for ReachMora, my YouTube brand. And let me tell you, it didn't just spit out one design, it instantly generated 4 unique options. Then here's where it got interesting. LovArt hit me with a question. Which one do you prefer? Like a designer actually checking in with a client. It is acting like a real design agent. I picked the second logo because the style hit perfectly with what I had in mind. But I didn't stop there. I texted LovArt right inside the chat box and asked it to build me a complete brand identity based on this logo. Normally, a designer would take days to pull that off. It instantly laid out a full brand kit, custom color palettes, business card mockups, social headers, even branded merchandise like notebooks, t-shirts, and mugs. And the editing power, crazy. Let's say I want the word Mora in the logo to pop in orange while keeping the rest in the same color. All I did was click on the logo, type the instruction into the chat, hit run, boom. New logo version, done. That's simple. But this was the best part. After it delivered the brand kit, LovArt asked me, do you want to extend your identity further? Like, what? It offered things like website mockups, app designs, marketing materials, so I pushed it. I told it to generate digital assets, and I had website mockups for both desktop and mobile, all matched to the brand identity. And when I asked it to generate a futuristic square social media templates for Instagram and LinkedIn, yep, LovArt gave me clean, minimal, that I can use it as a template and edit it if I want. LovArt wasn't just giving me images. It was building a complete, flexible brand ecosystem for ReachMora. All right, now let me show you one of the craziest features inside LovArt, the Nano Banana Model. Here's what I did. I uploaded a personal photo along with some of the branded products LovArt had already designed for ReachMora, a t-shirt, a mug, and a notebook in one photo. Then I selected everything, opened up the chat box, and gave LovArt a simple instruction. Change the man's outfit to a ReachMora t-shirt and put a branded mug and notebook in his hands. I hit run, and in seconds, LovArt gave me a hyper-realistic photo where the guy looked like he had actually posed for a ReachMora ad campaign. Like, this would take more time in Photoshop, even if you're a pro. Here, done in seconds, but I didn't stop there. I wanted to see how far it could go. So I uploaded a ReachMora poster and told LovArt to swap out the background of the photo with that poster. Seconds later, boom, a perfectly blended, fully edited photo that looked like a legit commercial shoot. And here's where it gets addictive. Want to remove something? Easy. Just click the photo, hit the remove icon, highlight whatever you don't want, gone. Want to add text anywhere? Open the chat box, type your request, and bam, it's there. Want to move the guy so he's standing next to the poster instead of sitting? Type it in. Done. Every tweak that normally takes a designer hours, LovArt knocks out in seconds, creating an AI-generated video. All right, so after finishing my channel branding, I wanted to see if LovArt could pull off something even crazier, an entire AI-generated video. And not just any video, I asked it to create a podcast-style conversation between Albert Einstein and Elon Musk about the future of AI. Yeah, I went big on this one. LovArt immediately got to work by generating a full script for the dialogue. And let me tell you, it wasn't some generic placeholder text. The script actually captured Einstein's thoughtful scientific tone and Musk's forward-looking entrepreneurial style. It felt like a conversation they could realistically have. Next, LovArt converted that script into realistic audio using text-to-speech. Both Einstein and Musk had distinct voices, clear, natural, and surprisingly expressive. So right there, I already had a written script and voices ready to go. But it didn't stop there. LovArt then created starting frame images showing both Einstein and Musk sitting in a podcast setting. It generated multiple versions, so I could pick the one I liked best. After scrolling through, I selected the frame that looked the most cinematic. Then came the finishing touches. Synced the AI-generated voices to the visuals with lip-sync animation and stitched everything together into a complete video. And just like that, the final product was ready.
Greetings, Mr. Musk. This artificial intelligence you're developing, it's quite remarkable.
Professor Einstein, an honor. Your theories revolutionized physics. Today's neural networks revolutionize information processing.
Indeed, these machines process information differently.
It was good enough. We can make it better by selecting another starting frame. This was fully AI-generated podcast video starring Einstein and Musk, created in minutes. Now here's the best part. You don't have to just watch me use it. You can try it yourself right now. I dropped a link in the description. Click it, sign up, and start creating with LovArt today. Whether you need a channel banner, social media posts, or even a full video with voice and lip sync, LovArt can handle it all. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and as always, keep creating.